Start. This appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 13/11/2019 passed by the High Court of Patna in criminal writ petition number 1492 of 2019, filed by the appellants under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure within bracket hereinafter referred to as CRPC bracket close, challenging the FIR number 248/2019 dated 1/4/2019, implicating the appellants for offences under sections 498 and 302 IPC, read with section 34 of the Indian Penal Code within bracket hereinafter referred to as IPC full stop. The High Court by the order impugned herein dismissed the same full stop para. The appellants herein are in laws of respondent number 5 on 11/12/2017, the said respondent initially instituted a criminal complaint against her husband and the appellants before the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, Purania, alleging demand for dowry and harassment full stop para. Thereafter, when the file was put up before the Sub-Divisional Judicial Magistrate Court, Purania, for passing order at the stage of issuance of summons, the learned magistrate concluded that upon perusal of material evidence no prima facie case was made against the in-laws and that the allegations levelled against them were not specific in nature full stop. The said court, however, took cognizance for the offence under section 498, 323 IPC against the husband Mr. Ikram, and issued summons full stop. This dispute was eventually resolved and respondent number 5 herein came back to the matrimonial home full stop para. Subsequently, on 1/4/2019, respondent number 5 herein, gave another written complaint for registration of FIR under section 498, read with section 34 IPC against her husband Mr. Ikram and the appellants herein full stop. The complaint inter alia alleged that all the accused were preserving the respondent wife herein to purchase a car as dowry, and threatened to forcibly terminate her pregnancy if the demands were not met full stop para. Aggrieved, the husband and appellant herein filed a criminal writ petition before the Patna High Court, for quashing of the said FIR dated 1/4/2019, which was dismissed by the impugned judgment full stop. The High Court observed that the averments made in the FIR prima facie disclosed commission of an offence and therefore the matter was required to be investigated by the police full stop. The appellants herein, being the niece respondent number 1, mother-in-law respondent number 2, sister-in-law respondent number 3, and brother-in-law respondent number 4, have thereby approached this court by way of present special leave petition full stop para. The counsel for the appellants herein contends, that the police officer was duty bound to conduct a preliminary inquiry before registering the FIR, as this instant case falls within the categories of case on which a preliminary inquiry may be made, as mandated by this court in Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP and others full stop para. It is also submitted that previously in the year 2017, the respondent wife had instituted a criminal complaint on similar allegations, whereby the learned judicial magistrate, after considering the evidence, issued summons only against the husband, and found that the allegations made against the appellants herein were omnibus in nature full stop para. Further, it is submitted that the FIR in question has been made with a revengeful intent, merely to harass the applicant in laws herein, and should be dealt with accordingly full stop. Over.